Injuries sustained by Trooper Hill are far from the first suffered by a law enforcement officer working along the side of the highway.
9 on Your Side reporter Bryce Unslinger is live with how you can help to make sure our first responders stay safe on the road. Bryce?
Well, Clyde and Carol, the side of a busy highway is one of the most vulnerable places you can be. But for police officers, stopping to help a stranded motorist or to pull a speeder over is just part of the job.
December of 2010, Cincinnati police officer Michael Flam stops to help a driver involved in an accident. Seconds later, a car slides out of control, hitting both men. Flam and the other driver were both taken to the hospital and have since recovered. This is just another example of the dangers of working just feet from fast-moving traffic.
I count myself as very fortunate.
Lieutenant Bruce Hoffbauer has a similar story. He was working a crash 18 years ago when his patrol car was struck. Luckily, he had just gotten back inside the vehicle.
The car didn't move over to the left, came over and struck my patrol car, and if it had been a couple minutes later, probably would have struck me.
In April of last year, a new Miami officer faced a similar situation. He was filling out paperwork in his car when he was hit from behind. Hoffbauer says patrolling tri-state roadways is more dangerous today because of faster cars and more distractions. The Ohio State Highway Patrol uses these crashes to show why Ohio's move over law is so important. Under state law, drivers must move to the left if they see a first responder on the side of the highway. If that's not an option, drivers must slow down as they pass a scene. It's all so that crashes like the one that sent Trooper Brent Hill to the hospital can be avoided in the future.
Our prayers and thoughts go with the family of the trooper and the State Highway Patrol as a whole, and hopefully the officer recovers well.
Now, by not obeying Ohio's move over law, you could get a ticket, but as we've seen, the consequences for the people on the side of the road can be much more serious. Bryce Unslinger, 9 on Your Side, live downtown.
Thanks, Bryce. And there are new reports tonight.